Okay, that's the end of the session. And dismiss.
Oh wait, I forgot your homework. Here's your papers. Please answer it and be back tomorrow with perfect score.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.
Drake,
Yo.
you help me with this homework.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, man.
You made a presentation, right?
Yeah, you can help us do this homework. Let's go.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Addition and subtraction of polynomial equations. Here are a few things you need to learn before we start the lesson. Addition and subtraction of polynomial expressions is basically adding and subtracting of polynomials. We will learn today how to do it. Our first objective is learn how to add polynomial expressions. Next, learn how to subtract polynomial expressions. Answer 3 questions with different level of difficulties. Lastly, sum up all your learning and make a synthesis. To add and subtract polynomial expressions is basic. You just need to combine like terms, and by like terms, I mean the variables and the exponent of the terms are the same. Vertical solution is much easier. Here are the steps. Step 1. Remove all parentheses. I suggest writing all the problems vertically rather than horizontally because it makes the next step much easier. When adding, distribute the positive sign which does not change any of the signs. When subtracting, distribute the negative sign which changes each sign after the subtraction sign. Step 2. Combine like terms. This step is much easier if things are written vertically because like terms are written above one another. Remember that to combine like terms, the variable and the power of each variable must be exactly the same. Now for some examples. Let's start with addition of polynomial expressions. In this example, you are asked to add negative 3a raised to 3 plus 2a minus 4 and 4a raised to 3 plus 3a raised to 2 plus 2. The first thing you need to do is add negative 3a raised to 3 plus 4a raised to 3, which will give you a sum of 1. Remember, you do not need to write 1, so bring down a raised to 3. Next, since 3a raised to 2 does not have a like term, leave a space after negative 3a raised to 3 and bring down 3a raised to 2. Same as earlier, 2a does not have a like term, so bring down 2a. Lastly, negative 4 plus 2 is equivalent to negative 2. So your final answer will be a raised to 3 plus 3a raised to 2 plus 2a minus 2. After learning how to add, let us now subtract. In this example, you are asked what must be added to 13c raised to 3d plus 3c raised to 2d minus 5d to get the sum of 14c raised to 3d plus 7c raised to 2d minus 3cd minus 2d. First, you are going to subtract 13c raised to 3d plus 3c raised to 2d minus 5d from 14c raised to 3d plus 7c raised to 2d minus 3cd minus 2d. Start with 14 minus 13, which is a difference of 1. So bring down c raised to 3d. Next, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Then bring down c raised to 2d. Next, since 3cd does not have a like term, all you need to do is bring it down. After that, negative 2 minus negative 5 is equals to 3. Bring down d. Your final answer will be c raised to 3d plus 4c raised to 2d minus 3cd plus 3d. Now that you've learned how to add and subtract polynomial equations, let's move on to a more challenging example. In this example, you are asked if the length of a rectangle is 5 more than twice the width, write a simplified expression for its perimeter. L would be equals to length and W would be equals to width. Since it is said that the length of a rectangle is 5 more than twice the width, L would be equals to 2W plus 5. Your solution would be P equals 2L plus 2W. Replace L with 2W plus 5. P equals 2 times 2W plus 5 plus 2W. Apply distributive property to 2 and 2W plus 5, which will give you 4W plus 10 plus 2W. Simplify your equation by adding the like terms, which will give you P equals 6W plus 10. You have just learned how to add and subtract polynomial equations. Remember all the rules and guaranteed you'll pass this topic. Thanks for watching!
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Did you do the homework?
Yes. Can you see?
Perfectly. Perfect.
You both got perfect score. Nice job.